In this video, we'd like to show you some of the features of the new Sartorius Entris series. This is the Sartorius Entris milligram balance, and you can see it has a stainless steel top with a hole in the center, and this hole is if you wanted to put like a burette. So you could actually have a weigh dish on the platform, and you can use a burette, and you could be dropping in your sample and weighing it. The draft shield has a circular glass draft shield, and then we have a 4.5-inch stainless steel platform, and then there's a pan support, and beneath that we have the stainless steel splash guard. So this Sartorius balance is very easy to assemble. When you get it, all you have to do is put on the lower splash shield, your pan support, your 4.5-inch diameter weigh-in platform. And this is a glass draft shield, round circular draft shield. And then you have your stainless steel top. So I'd like to show you the performance of this balance. You'll notice it has a very quick response time. I have a few calibration weights. So we have a 200 gram, and we do sell these Tromner weights. And you can get an idea on the response time. You'll see how quick the balance is. You notice the balance isn't drifting. That's because this is a force restoration balance. So in Sartorius' series, they do have the Entris 153, which is a strain gauge, but the remainder of the models, the Sartorius 323S, 423S, and 623S, these are all force restoration balances. And so you can see I have a 100 gram weight. It just gives you an idea of how fast the balance responds. I take the weight off, it returns right back to zero. So, Sartorius is the leader in the weighing industry. Nobody has more experience than Sartorius. We are Precision Weigh-In Balances, and we're an authorized Sartorius dealer. I'd like to show you a few more features on this balance. So, to perform calibration is real simple. All one needs to do is you'd want to level your balance, and after I do the calibration, I'll turn the balance over to show you. But we have two leveling feet in the front, and we do have a sprint bubble in the upper left-hand corner. This area here, this is where the sprint bubble is. And you want to make sure your balance is level before doing calibration. You also want to make sure your balance has been running for at least a half hour. We've had this balance running for an hour. So to perform calibration is extremely simple. All one needs to do is press the cal button. The display shows external, and the balance is telling us we need a 200 gram weight. All one simply needs to do, place the mass in the center of the platform, and the balance will store that value. It says cal in, calibration has been completed, and you can see it's 200. We can take the weight off, put the weight back on, and that's as simple as it is. So the Entris series is external calibration. So you need to buy the external calibration weight. If you visit our website, we have details on each balance and which weight they require. The Entris 153 requires a 100 gram calibration mass. The Entris 323 and 423 requires a 200 gram calibration weight. And the Entris 623 requires a 500 gram calibration weight. So in regards to the keypads here, we have two tare buttons. So if I put a calibration weight on, we'll just say we want to tare it. We could hit the tare button, it would zero it out. Then we could place, we'll say, a business card on there. and it would tell us the weight, and we could tare it again. Now you can tare it from either the right or the left. So this time we'll try the left. You can tear it out. You put another one on. So you can see how quick, and I believe I had there was 2 business cards on the bottom, so there's 3 there now. You can see how fast the balance is and how stable the weighing results are. The other feature we have with this balance is we have the clear function. So clear function would be if you're in the menu setting up some of the parameters, you could clear out and get back to the main screen. The center key is the selected menu button. Your enter key is to confirm it when you're configuring the balance, and this button here on the far right hand side is the print key. Over here in the upper left hand corner, this is the on off. So take the cal weight off. If I was to shut off the balance, you'll notice the balance says that it's in standby. So this is what we recommend. If you're not using the balance, leave the balance plugged in, but always have it in standby mode. So that way there's a small trickle current going through the electronics, and the electronics are all warmed up. To start the balance up, simply press that button and you'll see the balance goes up through a power up sequence really fast and then goes right to 0, 0. Place the weight on the balance. And you can see how quick the response time is. We have several other videos we made showing how to change the weigh modes, how to get into the menu function, so I'm not going to review those in this video. Just want to show you a few more features on this balance. So the balance has 2 adjustable feet on the bottom of the balance here for leveling your balance. In the middle here, this port is the weigh below hook, and we also have another YouTube video showing the underhook feature and what it actually does. But if you wanted to weigh hot items or magnetic material, you would hang a wire beneath the balance to weigh those samples. On the rear of the balance, you'll notice Sartorius has the Entris series. On the back of the balance, we have an RS-232 interface. This would be used for sending data to a PC. You'd have to buy the optional cable, or Sartorius's printer, which is the YDP-20. On the back we have your AC adapter that comes standard with all these balances. This balance does not operate off of batteries. It's AC powered only, and that really sums it up. But we highly recommend the Sartorius product. Sartorius is, again, one of the leaders in the industry. They have the most experience. The force restoration balance that is in this particular ED, this is the 423, is a monolithic cell. It's a single block of aluminum, so it's going to offer you far superior performance to the competitors. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please visit us at balances.com or scaleman.com. We are Precision Weighing Balances.